Today we're working on a project that's a little bit nostalgic and a whole lot of what if. We're taking Ratty, the charming water vole from the wind and the willows, and moving him from his peaceful riverbank straight onto the floor of Wall Street. I wanted to imagine, what if Toad got into another one of his famous financial mishaps, and it was up to Ratty to save the day as a high-stakes broker. I designed this piece with a mix of classic book illustration style and the frantic energy of a modern trading floor. As we start the engraving on this wood coaster, you can see the laser pecker really handling the fine details. Fun fact, the author, Kenneth Graham, actually worked at the Bank of England, so Ratty might feel more at home here than you think. Getting the individual monitors and the traders in the background took some precise settings. Hopefully, he'll be successful and get back to the simple pleasures of the riverbank very soon. And here is the finished result. Our steadfast friend, Ratty, doing his best to navigate the chaos. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey. Let me know in the comments, who should I reimagine next? See you in the next one.